Hi, this tutorial is to show you how to log into JSTOR. Due to some of our new content filters, our IP address is not necessarily being read correctly to allow you access to all of the databases. So JSTOR is a particular problem, so I thought I would show you how to do this. If you go to JSTOR.org, you will need to go to the link on the upper right-hand side that says log in to my account. Do not use the login through your library link. Use this one here that says log in to my account. Click on that link. And go down to the lower left-hand side where it says my JSTOR username. I'm going to take out my account number here and put in the username and password. And it is case sensitive, PHHS, and the password is Montvale in lowercase, MONTVALE, and you can keep me logged in if you'd like, or just click log in. And now you have complete access to the full text articles.